One of the most frequent questions that I get or concerns that I get with an individual or individuals either rebooting, starting, or doing whatever they need to do in order to get motivated to start their workouts. And this is a huge deal. And in this podcast, I dive deep into how do we actually get the motivation and keep the motivation to keep moving forward. And even if we've lost it, how do we find it again? Like, what is the number one determining factor in fitness that keeps us coming back? My name is CJ. This is Evolve Strong with CJ. I help you lose 10 pounds and 5 inches in 28 days. I have a 100% success rate there, and I'm pretty damn proud of it. Now, for those of you wanting just to gain muscle or to amend to alpha up, just had a client in 30 days, gained 4 pounds of muscle, lost 4% body fat, has reduced his waist size by over 6 inches. So it's not necessarily just about fat loss. It's also about muscle gain for some. And so the net, whether it be, 6 pounds of fat loss, 4 pounds of muscle gain, always net. Okay. Hey, so anyways, tough question. And a lot of individuals suffer from falling off the wagon. And I know I'm talking to some of you actually in my shred program. And some of you are just at a point where more than likely the pain of staying the same is less than the pain of change. So some of you just probably aren't ready. You're not ready. And unfortunately, until the pain of change becomes less than the pain of staying the same, only then will someone needing to do their fitness will get motivated to move forward. And it's a stark like awakening call. Some people have an aha moment where they can't fit in their largest pair of jeans, or they get on their floor with their grandkids and they can't get off the floor anymore. Or they go to the doctor and the doctor says, if you don't do something about this, you're going to be dead in 6 months. These are huge wake-up calls that all of a sudden you're motivated to change. You got to do it. Now, that is a few of you, but then there's some of you guys that have just fallen off the wagon. And then all of a sudden you think that you're going to do it in the evening, but then you get tired and all the excuses come, right? So let's talk about that situation. Or even if you're at a point where you think you need to change, but maybe you're on the fence. First off, reach out. Reach out. Reach out to someone. Reach out to me. This is really Adriana. She's been with me now for years. And she's been in my shred program for years as well. And she kind of fell off the wagon. She got really busy at work. Life just got in the way. It's summer. She finally reached out and she said, CJ, I'm having a hard time getting motivated. What can I do? Well, I said, first off, you've now given me permission to be a nagging trainer, right? So what happens is mentally, she's become accountable again. So she's reached out, whether it be to a gym partner, whether it be to a trainer, whether it be to someone, but reach out and become accountable for what you were trying to do. Share your story and ask for help. Ask for help. We know what to do there. Then, once you ask for help, what you need to do is with that help, you need to feel that obligation. Okay, I asked for help. Now I'm obligated. I'm committed. Now let's just show up. The act of showing up, action, is what starts the process of the feeling of being motivated. So the first step is to become accountable. You got to reach out, right? And this is wherever you are currently at. Whatever is going on, just reach out. Whether, again, it doesn't have to be me. It could be a professional. It could be your mother-in-law. It could be someone who actually goes to the gym. Maybe you just need someone to say, hey, buddy, come on, let's go. Are we coming today? That is huge. That's huge in this. Then the act of actually showing up the first day is tremendous because that actually sets the ground for progress. Now, the number one reason that people stay motivated in a fitness program is if they begin to see the results. Results are what keep you going strong in your fitness program. Now, I claim weight loss, but fitness has a lot to do with mental clarity. It has a lot to do with strength and endurance. It has a lot to do with your ability to get up and go. It has a lot to do with your ability to fit in the pants you want to feel proud. It has a lot to do with blood flow. It has everything to do with so many different aspects of the quality of your life. So it's not necessarily, and some, especially here at Evolve, this is a social hour. This is a place where you come and you could be the craziest individual in the world, but you are accepted because we all united in fitness. And so some people get that really good link here, and this is their social hour. And this is a positive area, positive place. It's not negative. We're all here to keep to help better ourselves. And you can find this at many different places, dance clubs, different sports clubs. There's some great clubs out there, trainers. There's some great workouts outside. Get 2 or 3 of your friends at work and go for a walkathon at lunch every day. That could be a great support group. And then every day when you guys start to converse and you guys get back, you guys are awake, you guys are more alert, you're more present in your job. That's a result. Those are huge results. Now for me though, I have to make sure that you lose your 10 pounds and your 5 inches. So once you start fitting better into your pants, once you start getting the comments like, what are you doing? You're doing great. Or when you see your progress pictures and you see that you're changing the whole composition of your body, that is how you stay motivated. That really is how you stay motivated. And so to start the motivation, just again, you've got to become accountable. You've got to reach out. Secondly, you just got to show up. That act of showing up and then doing the program, within about 3 to 4 days, when you start feeling better, looking better, that is the motivating factor that will keep you here. And then for some of us, we need some outside. So if you have kids, if you have family, if you have a business that you have to be present for, you can't take care of anybody else unless you are cared for yourself health-wise. Let me say that again. You cannot take care of anything or anybody else unless your own health is good. So use that as a factor to help stay motivated as well. So I hope this resonated with some of you and with most of you. And those of you who are off the wagon that need that excuse, reach out. I'll help you get started. Then when you start getting those results again, that's how we stay motivated. And it is not if we fall off the wagon, it is when. And it is how quickly we get back on and ride and go. Cool? All right, guys. 505-591-4700. 505-591-4700. Please reach out. If you have a friend or someone that needs to hear this, please share. I'd appreciate that as well. Really do appreciate you guys. Now a top 5% podcast worldwide. I'm humbled and I appreciate you allowing me to come in and talk with your ear off. Hey guys, from my heart to yours, remember, start strong, stay strong, be Evolve strong. Have a great day.